Today, you will learn how to duplicate a page in Word to another document. First, open the Word document that contains the page or content you want to copy. Place your cursor at the beginning of the content, then click and drag down to select everything you want to duplicate. Once it's selected, right-click and choose Copy. Now, create a new Word document by clicking the File tab and selecting Blank Document. Place your cursor on the new page and press Ctrl-V on Windows or Command-V on Mac to paste the copied content. You can also right-click and select Paste. If your content includes images but you only want the text, choose Paste Text Only from the Paste options. This will remove images and formatting and paste only the text. That's it! If this video helped you, please like the video and subscribe to the channel.